Hi, fellow crafters. I haven't been in front of the camera for a while, so here goes. This is Nikki from Crafting with Nana, and I got the sweetest comment the other day on one of my videos. A young woman who had recently lost her grandmother, and how she had appreciated my videos because it made her feel like she was learning a craft that her grandmother would have taught her. And that just really touched my heart and helped me remember why I had made these videos in the first place. So I've been absent for a while. It's been kind of crazy here in Las Vegas. I tried some gardening. I've been doing some quilting. A few of you asked that I video quilting. My problem with quilting is I don't have a cameraman, and so it makes it really difficult to give you the best experience. So I'm going to go back. I've had a lot of requests for Dobby, so I'm going to go ahead and start Dobby this week, and I'll get that video out by next week. That's my goal. But I wanted to let you know why I'd been absent. I'm a school social worker here in Las Vegas. It's been crazy hard to change my format of working with students virtually. So that's taken a lot of my time, so I apologize that I've been I apologize that I haven't done any videos lately. So I apologize that I haven't done any videos lately. I do want to remind you, however, these are not my creations. So in my videos, I'll be very clear about how to do a stitch, but I won't be specific in how many stitches and things you should have on a round, because it's really important that you buy the kit. I do have affiliate links, and I make 10 cents on each kit, and you don't have to buy it at Amazon. But you need to get the kit because that's only fair to the creator, right? So they're not my creations. I do change things sometimes, and I'll be very specific if I'm going off her pattern instructions, because some things are just not clear, and I've found an easier way to do it. So I'll try to slow my videos down a little bit. There have been some comments about my videos going too quickly in some of my later videos. But check out all my videos, all of the Star Wars videos and the Harry Potter series. And again, I'll start with Dobby this week. And hopefully that will be a lot of fun for those of you who are enjoying that particular kit. As always, subscribe and you'll get to know when my new videos come out. Let me know what it is you would like to see. I have done a live session with my granddaughter, which is why I started these videos in the first place, is to help my granddaughters learn some of these skills since we're so far apart in distance. So I did do a live video with her, and you can find that under, I think we named it, We Created a Monster or something like that. And it was just a quick and easy video, but it is hard to do sewing videos unless you have a separate camera setup or maybe a cameraman. So there's some really great people that I follow. One is Crafty Gemini, one is Missouri Star Quilt Company, and another is Shabby Fabrics. They're all amazing, and they have really great tutorials. I'm happy to do it with you guys, and if there's something you want me to do or try, I'll certainly do that. Just make a comment. Also, I've learned that through these YouTube videos, if you hit the thumbs up button, they get shared more often. So the more thumbs up I get, the more other people can see these videos and utilize them. And I'll be really honest with you, it's not that I make much money on these videos, because I don't affiliate link things that are high profile. It's not computer reviews or anything that costs a lot of money. So I do this really for you, the audience, and my grandma taught me, and I want to share that skill with those of you who are wanting to learn how to crochet or learn some new skill. I'm not perfect at it by any stretch of the imagination, but it's fun. It's fun to connect with a community out there. So please let me know if there's something that you'd like to see me try, and maybe together we can try, or if you want to do a live session sometime, maybe we could work that out on a Saturday. I could maybe put together a quick sewing tablecloth, or maybe a table runner is more like what I was thinking. So anyway, let me know what you want, and I'll see you soon with a Dobby video. Talk to you later. Bye.